this is part 2 of the MySQL download and setup. All this just finished running after I finished clicking executing. So I'm going to click finish. We're going to click next. Excuse me. I hope that didn't catch on the audio. If it did, hope you can forgive me. There was a cinnamon roll for breakfast that was offered, and I was tempted, so I ate it. Forgive me. This wizard can bootstrap, track charge, MySQL cluster. We're not gonna read that. We'll test this connection later. We'll click finish. Click next. Password. Remember our root password? Well, it's coming in handy now. So we're going to pop that in. We're going to click check. And it says successful connection, which is fantastic. I hope it did not blow out your eardrum, so I did. I apologize. We're going to click execute one more time. And that green check is good. It's writing some scripts to check it out. If you want to look at the logs, it's going along. You're completely free to do that. It's right now on part 306 and checking if by the way, a data schema is basically what the schema means, like the format of your database. Saying like, I want 5 columns, and I want the first column to be named like computer bananas, and I want it to be a null value by default, and I want it to be an integer that I can hold. So yeah, that's what a schema is, like the database setup. This is going to take a little bit, so I'm going to pause the recording and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so this thing finished running, so you're going to click finish. You're going to click next. We're going to hope this thing starts up. You're going to click we'll do this just in case. Click finish. And this is you can create your tables from the MySQL shell if you'd like. If you're a command line person, you love that, that is your passion, you know, who am I to stop you? Live your dreams. But I am not one of those people right now. I like a GUI. So next thing you're going to do is set up a connection. So you're going to click this little plus button. And I'm going to call this my movie connection. And I'm going to start on port 306. The username is getting root. And I'm going to real quickly enter my password. So I'm going to pop over here, grab MySQL password for the root user. I'll pop it in, click OK. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do a quick test connection, and you're going to pray to God that that works. Because if it doesn't, okay. If it doesn't, that means you either entered the password wrong or something else went wrong. But most likely the password. That's what was my experience. So you'll see that says our all this information says it's working. SSL stands for like Shell Security Protocol or something. So basically it's saying that it's working. And this is your IP address, if I'm not mistaken. And that's the port it's using. So it works successfully, which is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So we're going to keep this all. You can take a look at these tabs, but I would not change it if I were you unless you are bold and you know what you're doing. Okay, now we got a movie connection. Yay! So we're going to open this up, and you'll see this pop up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to build our database. So I'm going to pause this video, go get my laptop so I can learn how to build this thing again, because I completely forgot. So I'll be right back. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to import the data to our database. So what you want to do is get Canvas, you want to head to Project Oriented Materials, Oscar CSV data, and you're going to download it. If you have it downloaded, then you can obviously just skip this step. But you want to make sure you know where it is in your computer, so I know it's in downloads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to real quickly go here, and now that I have that here, I'm going to click database. No, I'm going to click server, sorry. Data import. And I'm going to browse for that. So I'm going to go to downloads. Oh boy. Let's do import from self-contained folders. Yeah, let's do that. That sounds like a better idea. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your downloads. You're going to realize you made an awful mistake. Okay, you're going to say load folder contents. Okay, that. You know what? You're going to do something smart. You're going to copy the contents of your CSV file. Put it somewhere locally on your computer. So I'm going to make a new folder. And I'm going to call this database contents. And I'm going to paste it here. Load folder contents. Oh, right. Make sure you change it first. You know, might be the smart thing to do. Database contents, click OK. There are no dump files. I forgot something, definitely. So, okay. Mistakes were made. I'm going to make a new video showing how to do it. But that concludes the end of the database SQL download and all that stuff. So we'll show how to query and create databases in the next video.